Alright, welcome channel guys. This is the iPad A16th 11th generation. So in today's video, I'll be showing some quick settings to get you started with the iPadOS journey of yours. So the first setting will be if you click on the battery here, there's something called battery health. If you just click on it, you will see there is one option called 80% limit. So you just have to turn this option on so that you keep the battery potential at 100%. So trust me guys, I have been using this function from long time, and this feature really helps to keep the potential of your battery at maximum 100% for a very long time. And the next is the multitasking and gestures. If you see here, there is one option called split view and side view. So if it is turned off by default, you just have to turn it on, and you can see there are a lot of options which are unlocked, where you can see start picture in picture automatically. There are some productivity gestures, there is 4 finger 5 finger gestures, and one more which is quick, very handy, is the swipe from the corner function, which means that if you just swipe from the bottom left corner like this, it will take a screenshot, and meanwhile you can just write something or edit the screenshot, or you can just save it here. And if you swipe from bottom right corner, it will just open a quick note for you where you can take your quick notes. So yeah, that was it. And how the picture in picture works is that if you open the Safari browser, so this is the picture in picture. So if, for example, I have opened the Safari, and if I want to open some other app like YouTube, you just have to like take it, and yeah, if you just drag it here, you can do. And if you wanted to split view, this is how it works. See, you can use both of the apps simultaneously on your big 11-inch display, and you can also adjust if you want the size according to your preference. And if you want to close it, you can just close it like this, or there is one, you can see there are small 3 buttons, just click on that and you can see all the other functions. You can just close it like that and it will open this for you. And one more thing is, no matter which application or site you are on, if you just swipe slowly from the bottom, you will get the access to the dock view. So yeah guys, that was all about the quick settings as of now. If you have any, do let me know in the comment section box down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.